In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch 2. So by the end of this video, you should be able to access all of your online games from Roblox using your Nintendo Switch 2. And to do this, you basically just want to head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. And then you want to scroll down to the internet settings over here, select that and then click on internet settings. And at this point, what you want to do is to go ahead and select your Wi-Fi or hotspot network. But instead of connecting to your Wi-Fi, you want to come over here and click on the change settings option. Now you want to continuously scroll down until you find the DNS settings over here. And by default, your DNS settings should be set to automatic. But what you want to do is to go ahead and select that and then just set it to manual. Now you want to scroll down to the primary DNS settings over here and make sure you set your primary DNS settings to the figures I have over here. So wipe off everything and then just enter 045.055.142.122. Once you're done, you want to scroll over here and click on the OK button and then just go ahead and save your changes. Click on OK. And at this point, you can now try connecting to your actual Wi-Fi network. So just connect to your Wi-Fi and click on connect to this network. Now this connection is actually going to fail, but that is exactly what we want. So once the connection fails, come over here, click on the OK button. And after a while, this is actually going to open up a new page for you on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now what you want to do from the top of this page, you want to go ahead and click on go to Google. And again, this is actually going to open up the Google search results. Now come inside of this Google search result and then go ahead and search for Roblox. Once you're done typing, click on the search button over here. And again, this is actually going to open up some of the websites you can actually access Roblox from the Google search results. Now what you want to do is to just click on the first link over here and automatically this is actually going to open up Roblox for us on our Nintendo Switch 2. So from this page over here, you can go ahead and sign up and start playing all of your online games using your Nintendo Switch 2. If you already have an account, then at the top over here, you can actually log in. So click on this button if you want to log in and you already have your account. Meanwhile, whenever you're done using Roblox on your Nintendo Switch 2, you can always come back to the DNS settings and then just change your DNS settings from manual to automatic, and always come back to change it from automatic to manual anytime you want to use Roblox on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.